Now the most interesting thing, that is the art of writing or script and literature. Sumerians are the one who developed the art of writing, and I'm having this thing in my hand, and I'll show you what is it, right? Let's talk about what I have written on the board. Sumerians developed the art of writing, which they named, which is named as a cuneiform. Cuneiform script is a wedge shaped, which is written from right to left, just like we wrote English, we wrote from left to right, from left to right. This script was written from right to left, just like your Urdu is written from right to left. Henry Rawlinson is the person who deciphered it, and what is the thing that I am having in my hand? I made it just to show you as a kind of stylus which these Sumerians used to make signs, and which is known as the language, which is known as the script they developed. And if you can see, this is the edge of the stylus. This is thick from upper side and a thin from lower portion, and if you will use it, they used to use like this, they used to hold it like this, and then they used to mark on the wet clay like this. I'll show you. And then they used to bake that clay, and this is how they developed it. Well, story you know, and this is all about the script and the stylus. Let me show you how they used to write it. Now see, this is the stylus, this is a stylus, and with the help of this stylus, while holding like this, they used to, I have taken a clay for you people, and they used to write like this. And the moment you pick it up, you can see some wedge shaped structures are appearing on the clay, which are thick from the upper side and thin from the lower side. They used to write like this. They used to, I'm using this stylus. They used to use different stylus also. They used to use grass reed. They used to use bone as well, but I'm using the only one here. I made it for to make you understand here. See, this is the way they used to make these symbols, and then after making different signs for different words, they used to bake it, and then the clay was ready. This is how the cuneiform writing was developed by the Sumerians.